So we bought this Werner sort of step ladder type device with a tool tray on top. Bought it from Screwfix, about £30 Feels really substantial.
The build quality is pretty good.
Just comes down. This red bar locks it in to stop it folding back on itself.
Stop this bit going in towards itself, so this locks it in here.
The only thing I would say is you might need to just jiggle this tray a little bit.
Okay, to ensure it's properly in. Okay.
Right, so nice wide steps.
It gives you quite a bit of height.
Yeah.
And it feels substantial.
Yeah.
Obviously you'd have this on a flat surface normally, not on the grass. Don't put it on grass.
Got a few bits for tools and that.
And this tray comes in and out, doesn't it? So it's got various holes for different. Little tray there.
Screwdriver. Whatever you want to put in here, paint.
And it says on here, don't sit on this bit, which is fair enough.
You've got a thing to hang your tape measure in.
Tape measure, hammer, screwdriver, paint scraper, and some screws and whatever.
Yeah.
Depends what you're doing with it, really.
Sturdy.
So it gives you 2.48 metres high. Total reach, depending on it depends how high you are. It's obviously on the average man, I guess. And 0.73 metres is the first bit. It's just under a metre.
Yeah, nice, easy.
This top, it's got the branding on here, and this is rubber, thick rubber, and it feels really nice.
Useful bit of kits.
Yeah. As you can see, it's pretty stable, even on the grass. And the steps don't really move when you're climbing up them at all. They're like reinforced underneath as well. So this just slides in somehow. It's got like a mechanism. It's got a nice mechanism to it. Pull this up, and it all collapses. And as I said earlier, the steps are obviously they're strengthened with the cross beams in them.
Yeah, it does come with an instruction. Okay.
So if you're thinking about buying one of these, this is basically what you can expect.
Just make sure
from someone who's just bought one.
If you're buying it from Screwfix, before you take it away, that this catch is, just notice this is a little bit out of line.
Yeah, it's just off a little bit.
The way it's been put in. Just make sure that you check that red bar goes over a bit.
The one on the right hand side, or your left, depending how you're looking at it, this is fine, this is perfectly straight that way, but this one here is just ever so slightly off, and it just puts us off. But if you jiggle it around, it does clamp down, see? So it does, but that's a manufacturing thing that they need to
sort that
improve that
really
overall,
a little bit. Because there's a slight problem there. 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I mean it's well built. We'll use this loads with all this thing. I mean, this will be one of our main things we use.
We'll sort that little defect out, but yeah. Hope that helps you if you're looking to buy one.
If you've got any questions, just ask. Thanks for watching.